Hey guys, it's Rachel, and in today's video, I'm going to be discussing the best places to grab ice cream in New York City. If you've ever been to New York, you know that there are a plethora of ice cream shops left and right, so I'm here to help you narrow down the best ones. First on the list is called Mr. Dips. It's basically a trailer parked in Brooklyn in front of the William Vale Hotel, and they serve up burgers, fries, and dairy dips. You're currently looking at Mr. Dip's seasonal summer carrot top dairy dip. It's made with coconut soft serve and then dipped in a shell of white chocolate. And then it's finished off with a drizzle of cream and also topped with a baby carrot. It's a very, very messy dessert, as you can see, but it's completely worth it. I've mentioned this next place in a couple of videos, but it's called Dasher and Crank, and they had a pop-up going on in New York City when I was there, and they offer a bunch of different flavors including ube, hazelnut crunch, and lemon speculoos. Their most popular flavor would probably be the ube, and it's made with coconut ice cream and Filipino purple yams, so it's completely vegan. I also personally really enjoyed the lemon speculoos because it was like a creamy lemon ice cream, and then it had chunks of Belgian speculoos cookies, which just really took it to the next level. This next place is a staple within New York City's Chinatown, and it's been around for quite some time. It's called Chinatown Ice Cream Factory, and they offer a bunch of unique flavors, everything from lychee, pandan, red bean, Thai tea, and more. I really wanted to try their Don Tot or their egg custard flavor, but they didn't have it, so I settled for the black sesame, and I was super happy with the results. They also serve a little Pocky stick in the ice cream, so it's kind of fun too. Fellows Creamery is another classic New York City ice cream shop. My two favorite flavors would be Ooey Gooey Butter Cake and then Pistachio Squared, which features two kinds of pistachio. It's pistachio ice cream and pistachio brittle. I will say that their ice cream is a little bit on the sweeter side, so if you don't have a sweet tooth, maybe avoid this shop. But each Ample Hills Creamery that I've been to has so much character inside. They do a little bit of a comic book look, so it's really fun and a really great atmosphere overall. Okay, so this next shop isn't really an ice cream shop. It's called Petee's Pie Company, and it is a pie company or pie shop, but they also serve something called slice cream, in which they take 2 scoops of homemade vanilla ice cream and blend it together with a pie of your choice. They only offer this in the summer, so you have to get it when you're there, and it's honestly so divine and so heavenly. I would highly recommend it. OddFellows Creamery is another New York staple. It offers artisanal ice cream, and its menu is constantly rotating and changing based on local availabilities and seasonal flavors and things like that. So I got to try the peanut butter and jelly when I was there, and that was pretty tasty, not gonna lie, but I've also heard great things about their vegan hazelnut flavor too. Okay, so I've saved one of my favorites for last, and it's Morgenstern's Finest Ice Cream. They have 2 locations in New York City, and they offer 88 flavors of ice cream, which is pretty insane. They only allow you to get 2 samples though, so you gotta really be selective in how you do this. Morgensterns is great. Honestly, every single flavor has blown my mind away, but they also serve unique desserts like a PB&J ice cream cake or even a creme brulee ice cream. So you gotta try everything that they have there. It's amazing. Okay, well, I hope you guys got a comprehensive overview of some of the best ice cream in New York City from this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys!